Outsunny's 12 by 10 feet manual retractable awning is one of those practical yet stylish upgrades that makes your outdoor hangout instantly cooler and comfier. The Amazon listing shows it's priced at around $199.99, though actual pricing may fluctuate depending on color or seller, so keep an eye out for deals. What really stands out on the spec sheet is the build quality. It's got a powder-coated aluminum and steel frame with a sturdy square steel support for added stability, and the canopy is a 280 gm superscript 2 polyester fabric with PU coating that blocks UV rays and reduces heat. The canopy is also height and angle adjustable via its telescopic arms with locking screws, so you can fine-tune your shade through the day. And you get a generous 120 square feet of coverage, perfect for wall or window-mounted installations. On the reviews front, it earns a 4.0 out of 5 stars from over 500 ratings, which tells me most folks are happy. Many call it good value and well-made, and say it's easy to install, although some note the instructions could be clearer. And the model is occasionally called out as a budget-friendly pick in outdoor living roundups. If you are looking for a budget-friendly, manual retractable awning that brings both function and form to your patio or balcony, this Outsunny unit deserves a look. And yup, we share buy links in the description box to help you snag the exact size and color I'm showing.